Hi, Dr. Hammett. Quick chiropractic minutes. I was talking to a patient the other day about why their husband did not want to see a chiropractor, and he had some issues that a chiropractor could help. And she said the primary thing that he was worried about was the cracking sound, the popping. He had watched some videos on YouTube or on the internet, and it looked dangerous. And you know what? When I looked at some of the videos he was looking at, I wouldn't go either, to tell you the truth. I mean, some of it looked medieval. I don't know what's with chiropractors doing manipulations on videos. I don't see neurosurgeons doing brain surgery on videos. There are just some dumb chiropractors out there, and we can't fix that. But let's get to the real issue, the cracking sound. The cracking sound generally does not produce pain. That's what people are really worried about. The popping sound is really about gases and fluids from in between the joints being released, and it goes right back in within a few seconds. But keep in mind that in traditional chiropractic, there is no manipulation. That's right. We use drop tables, we use instruments, but in traditional chiropractic, 90% of the adjustments do not involve manipulating the spine. That means, guess what? No popping or cracking. So, if you need a chiropractor, give us a call. Hammett Clinic of Chiropractic, Kenosha, Racine, Waukegan. We do traditional chiropractic where you don't see a lot of popping or cracking. Can we manipulate the spine? Yes, every chiropractor can, but that we have found under research does not get the spine corrected. So let's get past the cracking, and let's not crack you up, but let's adjust you up and get you better. Have a great day. Like our page.